guys? Welcome back. We are back with the daily vlog. Even though I haven't posted one of these in like 2 months. But anyway, I'm not doing the talking today. I have an awesome fishing video. It's really hard to see me until I catch the fish. But yeah, so I was hanging out with my friend Patrick, and we were having a great day out in this at Champagne Lake. Go there is awesome, especially this year. Talking gibberish. But anyway, we saw a lot of the fish, and we caught like 20 that day for bass. It's all about bass right now. So right now, hope you guys enjoy the video. It's pretty cool. Please like it, subscribe to it, and subscribe to my channel. Sorry, not to the video. So see you guys later. Peace out. What the fuck was I saying? Well, anyway, enjoy the video. See you guys later. Guys? No, we're doing speed thing. AWS bonds. Huh? There's not gonna be sand, dude. We're doing a speed thing. Oh, that's one. Another one? Yes! There's another one. Yeah, there's one right here. It's a nice one. Let me get through that. Here, come to a little bit right here. Wait, watch out, my line's on the right here. Whoa! I knew it was a fish because my line started running with it. Ooh, that's a nice size. Man. I'm not wanting the line to snap. Yay! I broke the streak. Let's show this to the camera. 6 already. Nice bass. Well, let me pick him up. Here, wait. It's on the ground. It's not even there. Yep. Again, no, let me pick him up. It's a dirty fish. Those jug wounds. Ow. This fish. It's another great fish. That's my